Hello, you're welcome to the channel once again. Today too, I want to show you a simple way to download any video from social media, either TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or any website in just a few minutes. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, so let's start. So first, open any type of social media that you want to download your video from. So let's open YouTube. So we are on YouTube now. So now select the kind of video that you want to download. So let's say I want to download this particular video. So let's try to download this particular video. So you select the type of video that you want to download. Alright, so here you tap on share to copy the video link. So here tap on copy link to copy the video link. Yeah, so good. So the video link has been copied. So let's go to the website now. Alright, so after copying the video link, then you open your web browser. So let's go to Chrome. Then you search for the website name. So this is the website name, ibunet.org. Alright, so this is a website, all-in-one video downloader, free video downloader. So here is where we are going to paste the copy link. Here is where we are going to paste the video link. But before that, you have to select the kind of the social media that we copy the link from. So let's scroll down. So let's scroll down. So we are searching for YouTube. So you see we have so many types of social media that we can download your video from. So any of them you can download your video from. So let's search. We have Instagram, we have TikTok, we have Facebook, we have so many here. So we are searching for YouTube. Alright, here is it. Good. So then you tap on you tap here to paste the link. So you paste the link here. Then you tap on download. Then you wait. Good. So here is the video. Then you select the video quality that you want. The type of video quality that you want. So let's select 360. Alright, then you tap on it. So let's wait for a while. Good. So download has started, and then so the video is downloading now. Alright, file downloaded. So the video has been downloaded. Now we are done. So this is very simple. So this is how you can download any video from all the social media platforms, either TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or any website. Now don't forget to subscribe or follow, like and share.